Most of the cloud call centers are just an open source PBX with a marketing budget. Nothing more. I have a video about why it's bad news either way, open source or not. But you also want to modernize your customer service infrastructure. You can do that without any rip and replace needed on your Cisco UCCE and the PCCE contact centers. Comstice offers the entire customer service technology stack to run on your network. IVR with the speech recognition and text-to-speech, workforce management with a mobile app for the agents, cradle-to-grave reports and the real-time dashboards, outbound campaign manager with built-in answering machine detection, third-party messaging with SMS and WhatsApp, and finally, call recording with historical and real-time sentiment analysis. We can also create knowledge-based articles by analyzing the historical call transcripts. We can analyze the active call real-time, and we can pop up the common issues with the resolutions for the subject the customer is calling about. With the help of the constant iterations, your agents can handle calls from the skills that they're not even fully trained for. Check out comstice.com/CCE to learn more and request a callback.